Hello everyone, how to tuts back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add text on your video footage. So you can see this is the interface of Capcut PC. So I'm just drag the clip here on the timeline, but I want to add a text here on the footage. So you can see this is really a beautiful and nice scenario of the ocean. So I wanna write something here, okay, on the footage. So what you need to do, you can see the text option. Simply click on text and you can see default text. Okay, so you can add this text on your timeline in two ways. So first of all, you can see the plus icon or plus button. Simply tap on that or click on that and then it's added now, or you can just drag it here, pull it and drag it here. So after that you can move it right or left, or which place or which duration you want to set this. I'm just going to here, okay, and you can see this is so if you want to just click on that, click on the text, okay, and then just pull it here, like pull the text here. So I'm just so it's okay, and then click twice and after that you can write anything, ocean. So you can say this is the footage, it's really amazing, and after that you can type anything here. So okay friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. So today's no more, and thank you for watching.